Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome guys. My name is Sayantani. Today I am back with this DIY glitter art tutorial, and this one is inspired by my favorite designer Denise. Check out her channel Bemyguestwithdenise for more info. Thank you so much Momita Mukherjee for requesting this video, and let me tell you, comments like these make me do what I do. Oh my god, thank you so much Bishaka for your extremely valuable opinion. Thank you so much for your support, and please stay with me. Okay, so as I was decorating my new living room, I realized these glitter arts are pretty pricey and the color doesn't go with my decor either. So there comes the DIY handy. I painted this back in 2007 and I kind of got bored with it, so decided to convert it into something new. Today I will be using a flat foam brush and 1.5 inches flat paint brush, some acrylic paints, some silver glitter and self-adhesive mirror tiles. I'm going to pour some white paint to cover up my previous painting. Use a flat foam brush for better result. This tape is specially required if you are reusing your canvas. However, using white as a base color is good idea even on a fresh canvas. Make sure you covered up all edges. After you cover the whole canvas, don't wait for it to dry. Decide which color you want next and apply it right away. I will be using this pastel blue and I will pour it on the middle. This time I'm going to use this flat paint brush because I want uneven strokes. Then I will be using this pure silver color which looks kind of gray, and repeat the step. Now let it dry. I will just keep it under the sun. Once it's dry enough, measure the length and mark the midpoint. Mine is 36 inches long, so my midpoint will be at around 18 inches. Now I am going to attach the mirror tiles and just follow the midline. Make sure the corner is covered. I had a little gap in this corner, so I just attached one extra mirror. Trust me, no one will notice that. Now I will be applying some school glue on both sides of the mirror and try to make it look like water drops in both sides. It is easier done than said. I'm sure you guys can figure out what I'm doing right now. By the way, this time I will be using a small flat foam brush. Then I'm going to pour some silver glitter which I already had at home. Be generous, you want to cover up as much as you can. Now collect those extra glitters for your future use. And let your masterpiece dry now. You can see how it is looking. Now I will just let it dry under the sun. It looks totally dry now. Then I will be using this Mod Podge to seal the glitters. Cover the glitters totally and let it dry again. The painting is dry now, You can leave it like this if you want, but I decided to go ahead and use this antique gold color to match it with the decorative items I have at this room. I'm going to use an 1 1/4 inches sponsor and dab it on the painting. By the way, I mixed a little glitter with it and it was a bad idea, so don't do that. Then I'm going to kind of dab it randomly on the glitters and also on the edges. Don't forget the corners, because this way your painting will look like an antique piece yet modern. So I literally spent $0 as I already had everything at home, and I'm super happy with the outcome. Please let me know if you have any question in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Hope this video was useful to you, and if so, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you so much for watching. I upload every week, so stay tuned. I love you guys so much. I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.